Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Cole. Today I thought I would share a couple of things with you guys. I know in my last video we kind of walked through the house and I kind of let y'all tour the before and the after, and I really didn't go into great detail on certain items. So I thought I would share that with you all, and at the end of this video I did a short clip of the home that we stayed at when we went to Oxford, Mississippi for the weekend, and I wanted to share that with you all. So I have been dealing with upper respiratory infection this week. I had to get a COVID test and that was horrible. Waited in the parking lot for quite some time to finally get my test results that were negative and that I had a really bad upper respiratory infection. So excuse the nasally and the heavy breathing, but I'm getting better. We came home and our air conditioning in our bedroom and guest bedroom area is gone kaput. So we're having to deal with that, and my parents' home, so we've got a lot of irons in the fire. But I wanted to share something with you all. I ordered from Etsy, and I can't remember the name of the store. I ordered, it's French copper pots, and you can see them right here behind me. I am starting my copper collection across the back of my my stove area, and I thought they turned out absolutely gorgeous. It took a feat to get them here. I think it was about 2 weeks, and then the mail carrier could not deliver them. I had to sign for them, and I guess it's because they're copper. I have no idea. So I love where I have them. These hooks actually came, you probably saw in my video the other day, I had a black wrought iron piece across the edge of my kitchen island, and it had the little black hooks, and it came with that bar. So I had extra, and that's what I'm using back here. Eventually I may buy copper, not really sure. And kind of let me tell y'all about this stove area. So, you know, we had to replace the stove that we have. We got the Koch, and let me show the Koch brand. This came from Lowe's. It has 2 ovens in it, a smaller one and a larger one, which I absolutely love if I want to do something small. We had to replace this area, so we did do the tile up top. I had done right after we moved in. If y'all remember from the pre-pictures, there was a piece of corrugated metal that went all the way around the perimeter of the counters, and I just wanted something that I could wipe clean and be done. This is a porcelain tile, but it looks like marble. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's very easy to wipe off, and I do still see where I have some grout in areas. But Trenton Driver did this for me from Andalusia area, and he did a wonderful job. In fact, he's going to come back and do the tile work in my parents' house. So I will show y'all the copper pots, but my plan on this area is, you see this silver up here? As much as, or stainless, as much as I love stainless, and the stove has stainless in it, I believe I'm going to cover this in wood. If y'all have been watching me for some time, you do remember that I had a wood surround of my hood in the old house, and it had a little ledge on it where I could prop decor on it. So my husband and I have talked, and even though he's hit his head on this thing numerous times, we are going to cover this with wood and give it more of a look that I like. So I am going to do that. Let me show y'all these copper pots, and then I'll show you some other things around the house that I failed to kind of go into detail with you all on the tour. And like I said, I'm sorry for my voice. It will get better. I am getting better. I'm taking my medicine, I promise you all. So y'all enjoy today, and let's get started. 3 copper pots came from England off of Etsy shop, and I'll try to tag that Etsy shop down below. And then these hooks, like I said, are from Amazon. It came here. So I bought this off Amazon. I'll link it down below as well. And it came with the hooks, okay? So those hooks are what I'm using on over my stove. This is one area that you all asked me about. This is my husband's dress uniform and his greens. I think I'm saying that right. Y'all can laugh at me if you want. I don't care. It doesn't bother me. But what I did is I bought these from Hobby Lobby. Now, I will tell you that when I bought them, that you can, if I show you up close, and I will, it's got some scratch marks on it. So, and they're all over. And so I saw those spots on there, and I went to the manager and asked him about them, and he let me have these 50% off. So these things were, I got them both for the price of one, which was really awesome. I want to say they were around $99 a piece. This one I did not do anything behind. It has the black backing, and I had to take the backing clean off, lay my uniform down, pin my uniform in, and then put my frame back on. I probably need to kind of take them apart and dust them really well, but I haven't done that since we've moved. I've made these about a year ago when we built our new house, and I put them going up the stairs for my husband to his office. So I needed to put them up here, and I thought this hallway would be the best area for that. This is the same way. Let me see if I can get you the same way. I did it exactly the same way. You can see that I did add his dog tags and a key, and I can't remember what that key was for, and I'm so sorry. But I did buy a old tattered looking flag that he wanted to be put in there as well. So what I did is I took the mat, I placed the flag on top of it, and then I just pinned it all down with pins to hold it in place. I love these. I think they turned out gorgeous. I'm so tickled that I got them, and I can't remember the exact dollar amount. I want to say they were $99, and I got them both for $100 instead of $99 each. So that worked out really well, and I just took a magic marker and covered up the areas that were bad, and I'll show that to you. Area right here, there's one down here on this particular one. It's like that on both of them, this area right here on this one. So I just took a magic marker, and I just filled it in, and you can't see it now. I may need to do that. It may have got dinged up while we were moving, but I love these. They are really pretty, and you know, for the sacrifice that he gave, I think it's just honorable to have his uniforms displayed in our home. And then behind me, this was an open shelf that was built into the house already. There is a plug back there, so I'm still kind of debating on what or how I'm actually going to finish this up. My brother gave us a plaque that has the Pledge of Allegiance on it, and I want to do that some around here. So this area will be my husband's little memorabilia area. He's got things from several different times that he was deployed, and coins and all kinds of goodies over here. But, you know, these guys really deserve way more than this little hallway. But I'm so proud of my husband, and I knew y'all asked about it. Show it to you and kind of describe it to you all. Now let's go to the bedroom. I wanted to say something. There's some big changes coming very soon. My bed, I finally just went ahead and went with a bed that they had in stock at the furniture store. They will be bringing that today. So hopefully we'll do a refresh in the bedroom this weekend with you all. I'm excited about that. I'm ready to kind of get my bedroom finalized somewhat. It never is. But this back wall I did, and it was called Barn Wood, and it's out of Lowe's, and I'll try to tag that below as well. So that is what numerous people asked me about. We did a 1x4 down either side, and then filled that area in with that particular wood. You know, after I've done it, and when you do projects like this, you'll realize, gosh, I wish I'd have done it this way. So just take your time and decide on what you want to do. I really wish that I had done the entire wall. It would have only been a few more boxes, and after the whole scheme of things, it's not a big deal. But I did buy these pictures. I bought these from Smallwood. These are pictures of our property that I did have them do in black and white. They're very lightweight, and then they have the wood frame around them painted in black. I thought they were beautiful. And these pictures, you all, are the very first pictures that I took when we moved out here, and I shared them with you all. So to me, that's even more special. So I hung one of those on either side. My husband and I picked one out for either side of the house and had those made at Smallwood. Very inexpensive, absolutely gorgeous artwork. So, and a good size for the price. But That's in here. I've got one more area to show you all. These are my dining room chairs, and I may be fixing to change these. I found some online on Facebook that I absolutely loved, and they're very much similar to what I originally wanted in here. Now these are wingback chairs. I bought these covers from Amazon, and it's covering a mustard yellow, and you cannot, I'm so sorry, you cannot tell that it is mustard yellow. These covers, like I said, came from Amazon. It was a tight fit. I did wash it before I put it on. It rises up a little bit in the back because it has a lot of this arm work detail that took up a lot of space, and Bear's gonna be center in front, but I'm glad he's here. But we love these chairs. My concern is with the white, is it gonna get dirty with people pulling chairs in and out? So I'm probably going to change these. I found a set on Facebook for like $100 for the set. So I kind of think I'd be crazy for not getting those. So I may put these in our bedroom. When I get my mother's couch, we're gonna be covering it in the sofa cover that is the exact same as this. So I think that would be beautiful in there and accent with blues. You can see behind me, I did change the curtains out here in the dining room, and I still have the drop cloths laying there because I haven't made up my mind. I bought these at TJ Maxx or Home Goods. So I bought these at Home Goods, and they are the absolute perfect blue color as the ceiling. And what I originally thought was I was going to use them as a shower curtain and put them in there. However, it just wasn't wide enough. I got this set for $30 at Home Goods. I thought it was a great price. They're just not wide enough to go across the whole window, which I really don't care. I probably would never close these curtains anyway. I am taking down the wood blinds. It just doesn't go with my aesthetic in here. But I did buy these this weekend. I wanted to do, to be honest with you guys, I wanted to do buffalo clad in here with the blue color. But when I put these in here, my husband had a duck fit. So we are leaving these in here for now. And if I change my mind, we'll go differently then. I'm gonna get off here. My voice is getting worse and worse, but I enjoyed seeing y'all today. We do have some big things coming up with my parents' home, little cottage. So I'll share that with you all very soon. And I've enjoyed today. And y'all stay around and look at the little house that we stayed in Oxford, Mississippi. It was absolutely gorgeous. My little granddaughter Swayze is gonna kind of tour us through there. All right, Baby Bear, tell them goodbye. And there's my granddaughter. Peek around, Swayze. Hey. I love the basket for the coffee table, and I love the baskets underneath the table. That's real pretty. Console. Houndstooth chairs. Look at all the blue and white. I think that's more for Ole Miss. Stick off?
Nope.
Nah.
Ow. You probably don't.
No, see, it's all the pillows on the bed. Look at the rug. That's pretty. Now let's go to the bathroom. This closet is humongo.
Relax.
I love the blue and white buffalo plaid chairs.
I hope Daddy don't come up here and watch.
Oh, he's gonna come up here and watch sports.
This is kids living room.
Oh, look, these are pictures of, aren't these pictures of Oxford? Swayze and I like these. Look at these tables. So this little piece comes out. Not the neatest thing.
Like to put drinks on.
Bath. She's going to her favorite room in the house.
Let me see.
Turn the light on for everybody to see. Oh,
This is
look,
mine.
it's blue and red. What colors are blue and red?
Oh, man.
Oh, miss.
Better not get on my butt bed.
I don't think you can get up there.
You can get down there, but not up
And I think it has its own bathroom too, don't it, Swayze?
this.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Yeah, look at that.
definitely sleeping.